Hello, YouTubers, beer geeks, and beer hounds alike. Bill here. We're going to do a beer review. Cool? All right. So we got one here from Bubble Gut Craft Beer from Beerman on YouTube. My brother from another mudda, Steven. And this one is called Blizzard Warning. It's a winter ale. And he sent this to me to review. And it comes in at 8.4% alcohol by volume and 25 IBU. Okay. And it was canned on 1/25, or no, 1/29/24. Okay, so it's about 5 weeks old, and that's what the can looks like. Okay, I did have this once before, about a month ago on a live stream. I'm not going to say any more. So thank you, Steven. I appreciate it. And that's what his logo looks like. And a Bubble Gut Craft Beer is the brewer of my all-time favorite beer, Mile High Club, brewed by Bubble Gut Craft Beer. So let's handle this. Let's check it out. I do appreciate it, Steven. I'll have the link to his profile in the description of this video. Hit him up. Subscribe to his channel. He's got a bunch of cool content there. He does live brewings of the beers that he brews. He brews them live. So it's really cool. All right. I'm going to have to go grab my phony real quick to get a thumbnail. So give me 1 second. All right. Do this right. If there's any sediment in the bottom, I want the goodies in the beer. Okay. All right. There we go. Good looking beer. All right. Looks awesome. We have a tight, frothy, creamy, silky head. Looks real nice. Excuse me. Still a little congested, but all my senses are working good. And I'm just going to take another thumbnail of this because I want this logo also in the picture with this beer. This is a gorgeous beer, by the way. Okay. Awesome. Really tight head, frothy, creamy, silky. And this color is pretty amazing looking here. Look at that. It's like brown mahogany, kind of brown mahogany. Just a really nice looking beer. But you look at that. Last train home. A beautiful beer, like just a nice brown, kind of a brown mahogany looking beer. Okay, gorgeous. Very nice. All right. Kind of a clear, slight haze to it, but for the most part, it's clear. Kind of brownish mahogany off like a tan head. Really cool looking label. Let's check out the aroma on this puppy. And the aroma is amazing, actually. It's unreal. Roasted malts. Kind of like fudge brownies. There's some darker fruits coming through. Maybe like figs or something, or a raisin. Cocoa nibs. A big fudge brownie note, though. Very nice smelling. Very nice. Good head retention. Let's get a hit. Cheers. Cheers, Steven. Appreciate you, man. Damn. That is good. Heavy, chewy mouthfeel. Really nice. All the notes I picked up in the aroma are there in the sip. Heavy mouthfeel. No booziness or raw alcohol notes coming through. Super nice. Getting a sip for every ring, a ring for every sip. It's my dyslexia coming in full display there. It's amazing. I've noticed Bubble Gut craft beers, almost every beer that I've reviewed, it just leaves a wall of lacing on the glass, a thick, creamy wall of lacing, which is a characteristic of Bubble Gut craft beer, which is an awesome characteristic. It's like you're getting the roasted malts character with like the chocolate kind of fudge brownie, or just like a regular chocolate brownie, okay? Chocolate character with some of the dark fruits coming through. There's some hops coming through also. But at the same time, there's almost like a vanilla note, sort of. Look at that lacing, unreal. It's real creamy, silky mouthfeel. Look at that. It's real rich and balanced. This is awesome. It's better than I remembered when I did the live stream with the guys. It's better. And this is something you could probably sit on it and age it for a long time. It just would probably just get better and better and better. I love it. I hope he brews this again. This is an awesome beer. Really, it is. I'm going to go ahead and sip it one more time and I'll wrap it up. I really hope to see uh, Bubble Gut Craft Beer, Beer Man's Brewery take off and start getting some of these beers out to the general public, because really they're missing out right now, because these beers are as good, if not better, than just about any beer you can buy off any shelf out there right now, or any brewery. These beers are world class. That is awesome, and it's getting better and better as I go, as it warms up a little bit. Awesome. I think he got this is a recipe he got from one of his friends, our friend Chatio, which he's also a brewer. And then I think Beerman kind of tweaked it a little bit and kind of made it his own to a certain point, and it just turned out awesome. Yeah, song remains the same. Almost like a plum note coming through, also like a ripe plum, slight, very subtle, and almost maybe like a date or a prune. Yeah, like a prune kind of coming through slightly. Yeah, I think it's a prune. It's like a very ripe prune. Very good. So with that said, on a scale of 1 to 5 stars, 2.5 B and C average, this is an awesome beer. Beer Man hit it out of the park again, and it's a 5-star beer. It's really probably definitely the best winter ale I've ever had, honestly. It's almost like a red brown ale porter, like all three of those combined. Very chocolatey and dark fruity. Just really good lacing on the glass and head retention. It's awesome. 5 stars it is. That's my story. I'll stick with that. Hit like, subscribe, and little bell for notifications. I'll have the information to Bubble Gut Craft Beer in the description section, and also the link to Beer Man. His YouTube channel is going to be there, and his Facebook will be there as well. So thank you for stopping by. I do appreciate y'all, and excuse me, and y'all have an awesome day. Cheers. Thank you, Steven. Catch y'all later. See ya.